Ugh, real life can be so boring sometimes. So why not turn it into a game? That's right, today we're learning Served, the hilarious real-life card game. In Served, players use cards to give each other challenges, turning everyday scenarios into opportunities for chaos and hilarity. These cards aren't meant to be played around a game table. Play them anytime and anywhere life needs a little spicing up. Serve up Served in 3 steps. Set the time frame, divide the deck, start serving cards. To set the time frame, choose how long you want the game to last. Maybe it's just for tonight while everyone's hanging out for Jake's birthday. Maybe it's for the 2 weeks of your family vacation. Or maybe it's the entire summer. Whatever the time frame, choose something where all the players will be together as much as possible. Equal opportunity serving is just more fun. Now, divide up the deck. For groups of 3 or more players, give each player 1 big fat no card. The rest go back in the deck. Shuffle the remaining cards and deal them evenly to all the players. Discard any extras from the game. For a group of 2 players, give each player 2 big fat no cards. Discard the rest. Remove all the cards from the deck with the 3+ icon, then shuffle the remaining cards and deal them evenly to both players. Now it's time to start serving cards. There's no turn order, so whenever the moment feels right, hand one of your cards to another player. They've been served and must complete the challenge on the card. This game is all about spontaneity, so try to serve the other players when they least expect it. Once a card is served, discard it from the game. Each card can only be played once. Try not to run out of cards too early. You don't want to be a sitting duck, do you? But don't wait too long either. You don't want time to run out before you've had a chance to issue all your challenges. If more than one player serves a card at the same time, that's okay. As long as the challenges don't cancel each other out, multiple can be in play at once. If you've got a blank card, that's a carte blanche to make up a challenge. Make it as bananas and specific as you'd like. Did someone serve you a challenge that you think is unreasonable? Play your big fat no card or the not today Satan card, and now that challenge doesn't apply to you. If you've already used your big fat no card, you can choose to simply not cooperate with the challenge. But the player who served you the card gets to steal one of yours. All's fair in love and war. And served. Players keep serving each other cards until the set time frame ends. The game is over, and it's time to determine a winner. There are no official points in Served, but by the end of the game, you'll know who won. Sound cryptic? Play the game. You'll see what I mean. And now you can play the game because it's the end of the video and you know everything you need to know to get started. So let's start now. You've been served.